Imagine one of your regular wholesale customer wants to place an order today and pay later. Managing company credits for distributors and resellers can be confusing and time consuming. That's where Bagisto's B2B e-commerce company credit features comes in. Here we are on the Bagisto open source B2B e-commerce storefront. So first, logged in with the admin panel, go here and just navigate to this company credit. Here, admin can see all the registered company and can manage their credit limits, outstanding balance and available credits individually. Basically, these values gives a quick overview of company's current credit status. So just click on this manage credit. Also, the admin can disable or enable the status. Now you can see the outstanding balance and credit limits and available credits from here. So first go here credit settings and I just give 1000 credit limit and set the status enable. Just click on. You can add comment and just save. Here now you can see the available credit is this and outstanding balance currently is $0. So we will go with the. Also you can see this credit history where with the date, operation and amount, balance, details you can check out from here. Now just go here and sign in with the company account. So this is my company account. You can register your company account from here. I already registered, so I'm just sign in and click on this sign in. Here customer also manage and see their company credits like this, available credits $1000 and status and credit limit. Also the history. Now go on the store and add to cart. First we need to select the color and size and just click on this add to cart. Go here, continue to check out. Firstly, fill out all these information and just click on the save. Now proceed. Choose the shipping method and now come to the payment method. We will go with this pay by credit. Now click on the place order. Now when we see from here, go to the profile. So when we see with the company credit, here you can see available credit is decreased and outstanding balance we can say this is approx 309. So also you can see this history. Now we will see with the admin panel the same process. So just go here and just refresh it. Here also and available credits will increase and decreased and the history as well as. So this is the order ID. Now one more thing, whenever the company pays you, you can reimburse the balance. For example, the company pays you $50, $500. So you can attach reference company pays 3 check record payment and now you can see this is available credit now this and outstanding balance is $0. Also, you can check the credit history from here. That's all for this video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of Bagisto's B2B e-commerce company credit feature, so they can buy now and pay later while you can keep everything organized.